Okay, ji, assalamu alaikum. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to know how to solve the fractions. And what you need to understand is whenever you are adding or subtracting fractions, you need to take LCM, right? So to take down the LCM, what you see is that we take down the denominator, let's say 3 and 4. So 3 ones are, what you have is 4 left. So 2 twos are and 2 ones are. So what are you left with? 3 into 2 into 2, 6, 6 twos are 12, right? So this becomes your LCM. Now, knowing that the question has LCM of 12, making sure that the denominator is same for both the fractions. Now the process is that LCM is divided by denominator and result is multiplied by numerator. Now this is the process that we continue, right? So if you are continuing the process, so what we need to understand is that this 12 is being divided by 3, right? This 12 is divided by 3. So if the 12 is divided by 3, this 12 is divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 is what? 4. So if we got 4, the 4 will be multiplied by what? 2. So what we get is 4 twos are 8. Then again, what we have is 12 divided by 4. LCM is divided by denominator. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 3 multiplied by numerator will be what? 3 ones are 3. So the answer here will be 3. So what do we have? 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 12. This will become your answer for the first part. Let's just solve part B here. If we say that 4 and 5 are the two denominator values, 4 and 5. So we take down the LCM of 4 and 5, knowing that these are the lowest. So let's say 4 ones are 5 is remaining, 5, 1. So 4 into 5 will become what? 20. So let's say this is 20. So 20 divided by 4, 20 divided by 4 is 5, right? 20 divided by 4 is what? 5. So this 5 will be multiplied by 3. So 5 into 3 is what? 15. So that means we write down 15 here plus 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is what? 4, right? 20 divided by 4 was 5. 5 divided by multiplied by 3 is 15. So 20 divided by 5 is what? 4. 4 twos are becomes what? 4 twos are will become what? 8. So what do we have here? 15 plus 8, which is 23 upon 20. So 23 upon 20 is your answer for part B. Let's attempt part C. What does part C say? 5 and 2, right? So 5 and 2, the LCM, 5 ones are, you're left with what? 2, 2 ones are. So 5 into 2 becomes what? 10. So 10 is the LCM. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And 2 into 3 will become what? 6. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is what? 5. So 6 minus 1 becomes 1 upon 10 will be your answer. Similarly, the LCM of D is also 10 because it has the same denominator 5 and 2. So 10 divided by 5, 10 divided by 5 is 2 and 2 fours are 8. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5 and 5 ones are will become what? 5. So 8 plus 5 is what 13 upon 10. So this is what part C and part D. Now let's just work upon part E. If you see that we have 6 and 4, so 2, 3, obviously 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. 2, 1, and what are you left with? 3, and 3, 1. So what do you have? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s is 12. So 12 becomes your LCM of 6 and 4. Normally what students do is they multiply 6 and 4. So that is not your lowest common factor. So what we know is that 12 is the lowest. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 into 5 is what? 10. Right? Moving further, what do we have is that 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 3 3 becomes what? 9. 12 divided by 4 is what? 3, and 3 3 9. So this will be 1 upon 12, which will be the answer. So part F, 3 and 5. So let's write down the LCM. 3 ones are, and you're left with what? 5. So 5, 1, right? So 15 is the LCM. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 twos becomes what? 10. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 3 to the 6. So that means your answer is 4 upon 15 for part E. Now part G and part H. So if you just see 8 and 10, 2, 4 and 5, 2, 2, 5 and 2, 1, right? 5 is still there. So 5 will be coming in the 5 table. 5 twos are 10, 20, and 20, 40. So this will be your 40, will be your answer. 40 divided by 8 is what? 5. Right? 40 divided by 8 is 5. So 5 ones becomes 5. 40 divided by 10 is 4. And 4 into 3 will become what? 12. So the answer is 17 upon 40 for part G. Remember, the LCM is divided by denominator. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 ones are 5. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 will be multiplied by numerator. 4 3 the 12. 12 plus 5 is 17 upon 40. Let's do part H. 10 and 6. So 10 and 6. 2, 5 and 3. 3, 1. 5 is remaining. 5, 1, right? So 5 3 the 15. 15 to the 30 becomes the LCM. And 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 3 is 9. 30 divided by 6 is what? 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So 25 plus 9 is what? 34 upon 30 becomes your answer for part H. Okay. Moving further, what you need to understand is the mixed numbers are there now. So what do we do in the mixed number? Let's say 4 whole number 1 upon 2, right? So 2 is being multiplied by 4. Any number denominator is multiplied with the whole number. 2 fours are 8. And 8 plus 1 will become what? 9. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So the fraction that we will have is 9 upon 2 minus what? 5 upon 7. So if we use 2 and 7, so the LCM will be using 2 and 7. 2 ones are, and obviously 7 is less, 7 ones are. So 2 into 7 is what? 14. Since 14 is your LCM, 14 divided by 2 is what? 7. And 9 into 7 becomes what? 63, right? And 14 divided by 7 is 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 into 5 becomes what? 10. So the end result is 53 upon 14. You can always change your number in the mixed numbers as well. Let's say the denominator is 14 here. So let's write down 14 in the denominator, right? But you need to calculate. What do we have? 14 ones is 14, 14 twos is 28, right? 14 threes will be 42, right? But 14 fours is 56. So obviously 56 is more than 53 in the numerator. So we'll take 3 as a whole number. So 14 into 3 is what? 42. And the difference between 42 and 53 is 11. So 11 will be the number remaining because 14 3 is 42. For 53 minus 42 is what? 11. So 11 will be your answer for part A. So we can always write 53 upon 14 as also 3 whole number 11 upon 14 because sometimes the question is in mixed numbers and in the fraction. So if the question is complete in the mixed numbers, leave your answer in your mixed numbers. But if the question is in fraction, then leave your answer in the fraction. Both in this case, both are used. So you can leave your answer in anywhere possible. Considering part B, right? So part B is 1 upon 3 plus 5 fours is 20. This will be 24 upon 5, right? LCM becomes what? 15. So 15 divided by 3 is what? 5. 5 ones are 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 24 into 3 is 72. So the end result is what? 77 upon 15. 77 upon 15. But if I just write this thing down in the mixed numbers, so 15 is the denominator, but 5 will be the whole number because 15 fives is 75. 15 fives is 75. And the difference between 75 and 77 is 2. So this will be your mixed numbers, whereas this will be your fraction because the question is in fraction and mixed numbers. So obviously you can leave your answer in either one of them. So that is not an issue. Okay. Let's just make sure that we know that we are still doing fractions and additions and subtractions, right? So let's just start. So similar case, 4 into 5 is what? 20. And 20 plus 3 is 23. So this should be 23 upon what? 4. Plus, what do we have? 9 into 7. Because 9 into 7 is 63. 63 plus, what do we have? 5. So this will be 68 upon 9, right? So 9 and 4 LCM. So what we see is both are different numbers. 3 is you are left with what? 4. Then 3 ones are 4. Then let's say 4. 4 3 is 12. And 12 into 3 is what? 36. 36. Now 36 is divided by 4. 36 divided by 4 is what? 9. And 23 into 9. 23 into 9 becomes what? 207 plus 36 divided by 9 is what? 4. So 68 into 4 is 272. 68 into 4 is 272. If we just add them, we end up getting what? 478 upon 36. So we can either leave an answer in this form, or let's say 478 divided by 2 is 239. 4, this is 470. Let me just change this because this will be 207 plus 272 is 479. Because of the paper one, we are not using calculator, we'll be adding them just roundabout. Now, obviously, you can't cancel this. You can't cancel this. So what you need to do is you can give the answer in this form, or you can eventually give the answer in the mixed numbers. So 36 into 10 is what? 360. So 36 into 13 is 468. So 13 whole number 468. 36 into 13 is 468. So what is the difference between 479 minus 468? 11. So 13 whole number 11 upon 36 can be the answer for part C, or 479 upon 36 can also be the answer for this. Let's attempt part D. 8 threes is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27 upon 8. Minus 5 ones are 5. 9 upon 5. Obviously, taking down 8 and 5 will make sure that both are different tables. So 5 ones are 8 is there. So 8 ones are. So 40 will be your LCM. 40 divided by 8 is what? 5. 27 into 5 is 135. Minus 40 divided by 8 is what? 5. So 40 divided by 5 is what? 8. And 8 into 9 becomes what? 72. So 135 minus 72 is what? 63 upon 40. This then can be your answer, or you can always give 41 is 40, 42 is 80. So we can't take whole number as 2. So 1, what is the difference between 63 minus 40? The difference is what? 23. So one whole number 23 upon 40 will be the answer for part D. Let's attempt part E, continuing with this. So 5 into 7 is 35. This will be 37 upon 5 minus 15 upon 4, because 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. The LCM turns down to what? 20. So 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Multiply by 37 is 148. Minus 20 divided by 4 is 5. And 5 into 15 is what? 75. 148. 148 minus 75 becomes what? 73 upon 20. You can either give your answer here, but change it down to the fraction. 3 is 60. 60 and 73 difference is what? 13. So this will be the answer for what? Your mixed number, that is 73 upon 20. Part F, 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 becomes what? 5 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. The LCM becomes what? 12. 12 divided by 3 is what? 4. 4 5 are 20. 12 divided by 4 is 3. This will be the answer will be what? 23 upon 12, or one whole number 12 upon what? 11. This will be your mixed numbers. Moving down to part G. 5 fours is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24 upon 5, right? 7. 7 plus 5 is 12 upon 7. So 35 becomes the LCM because these are the lowest terms. So can we just say 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 7 multiplied by 24 is 168, plus 35 divided by 7 is 5, and 5 multiplied by 12 will become what? 60. So 168 plus 60 is what? Normally 168 plus 60 is 228 upon what? 35. Upon what? 35. We can always change this into the mixed numbers. So this will be 6 whole number, right? Because it is 210. 228 minus 210 will be what? 18. So changing the fraction to the mixed numbers, right? Then what do we have? 6 threes is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23 upon 6. 9 fours is 36, right? And 36 plus 7 is what? 43 upon 9. 43 upon 9. So 6 and 9, let's say, because obviously now these are same table. 3 twos are 3s are 2, 1s are 3s left, 3 1s are. 3 twos are 6, 6 3s are 18 becomes the LCM for this. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. 18 divided by 6 is what? 3. And 3 into 23 is 69. Where 18 divided by 9 is 2. So 2 into this will be what? 46. So 86 plus 69 becomes what? 155 upon what? 18. So if we just see 18 9 is 162, but 18 8 is 144. So this will be 8, 18, and 144 minus 55 minus 144 minus, so 11 will be the adding number. That means 18 multiplied by 8 is 144 plus 11 will give me what, 155. So this will be the answer in the mixed number for part H.